Okay, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. That's a picture of, well, that's a picture of, it's a picture of, was a photo of Tiger. Well, today in my little series about living less cluttered, I'm going, with the help of my friend who doesn't want to be seen, I'm going to straighten up, don't judge me, my closet. We're going to straighten. This is not my main closet. This is like where I put everything so I can do the main closet. So we're going to go over and talk about the main closet and what we're going to do with that. And then we'll come back on. Alright, this is my closet where everything in the other closet that was moved out, we're going to put it in this closet, organize it. And as you can see, I have my boxes and it's really junky and it's just not really working for me. And my husband, he has ODC and he doesn't like what is it, Turner? OCD. Because she has it too. My friend that's helping me, she has OCD also. And so she's going to help me with this. Get this together because I'm trying to live a little less cluttered. And now we're going to have her come. She's not going to come on, so she's going to just talk us through what we're going to plan on doing. Because she believes that shoes should not be on the floor. So come on, Turner, why is that?
I believe you should put your shoes on the floor. Because, you should keep them together, either in a box or in some type of organizer.
Well,
so that way you can get to them much better.
Well, what are we going to do in my closet then about my shoes?
Well, we're going to put the loose shoes in an organizer on the back of the door. So that way when you're getting ready for work, you'll be able to just go to the shoes that you want in your organizer and pick them out without having to search for them on the floor. Or even in boxes, since you don't like boxes so much.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep those in boxes. I'm gonna keep it on Tiger because she doesn't want to be seen, and then I don't want to be seen either because I look like a hot mess. She looks good, but she doesn't want to be seen either. So we're gonna keep it on Tiger. Tiger's gonna be our avatar. He's gonna represent us. So because she was saying that we're gonna take the shoes off the floor. It makes it it's easier to get ready in the morning. And we went to, where did we go? We went over here to the Container Store and we bought some goodies to fix up the closet. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go and Turner's going to help me fix up the closet, and then we're going to come back and we're going to show you the final, what is that called?
Reveal.
The final reveal. I wish she would come on the camera. She's like a hoot and a hollering, but anyway. And she's a good fashion stylist too. She could get you together, make you feel so at ease, and then she's just really good at organizing things. We work together and she would organize my desk. She's just good at this. This is her side hustle. You're good at this, girl. You're really good at this. So anyway, we're gonna go and take care of this, come back, and I'm gonna show you the completed project. Bye. Say bye, Tiger. Bye. Bye. All right, here is the final reveal. The final reveal. And here we go. You're so silly.
And what we've done here is we've taken all of our clothing and hung it on hangers.
What type of hangers? Just no wire hangers?
No wire hangers. No wire hangers at all. She knows I can't stand wire. So, we changed the hangers out.
Okay, where do you get the hangers from and everything?
You can get those from Walmart.
And the bins?
Or Target. And we went ahead and got the bins, the clear bins, so that she can see the items that are in the bins.
And they came from the Container Store.
They came from the Container Store.
And these bins here, what are these bins holding?
These bins are holding sweaters for the winter, and also another container is purses.
And I have a little scarf rack right back there. Okay. And anything else you want to say?
And we put the shoes.
Okay, where the shoes at? Oh yeah, let's show that. I like that. Yeah.
Shoes on the door.
Okay.
They are up off the floor, and if she needs extra space, there's a rack that we have down at the bottom.
All right. I think you did a very good job. Very inexpensive spring cleanup, and I'm going to maintain this now because now I will be orderly.
Yes.
Thanks, T. All right. All right. Here is the second project. Is my vanity. Oh, as you can see, it's messed up. I have one drawer is just like a junk drawer, and this drawer here is like where I usually put. What do I have in here? I have my wedding video, and then I have some of my sunglasses. Where I keep my sunglasses. A random charger. This is just junk. This doesn't need to be there. And so we're going to go in. Our next project is the vanity. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this is the final review or preview. No, what's the word for this? Reveal. I'm so sorry. This is the reveal of all the work I did. Really, my friend did, and I helped on the vanity. As you had the before and after videos of the closet, and now this is the video of the vanity. She did a wonderful job, didn't she? Now, the purpose of what I did in both the closet and the vanity is the fact that this is like real world. Excuse me if sound like I've been running. I've been trying to work out a little bit. This is real world declutter and cleanup. I mean, I'm not a makeup guru or anything like that. Got that from the Container Store. It's just a Lazy Susan. You could use it in the kitchen, but I use it here for my perfumes. And this here makes my makeup so much easier so I can get to it in the morning. I put my lips, my eyes, and lotion. I have my Q-tips back there. I have my lipsticks. I use this. I took the other one off. There was another one here, but I really wasn't using it. So I'm taking that to work, and I'm going to repurpose that like for Post-it notes and clip and bobby pins, paper clips. Can't think. This right here is my little. Got that off of Amazon. If you're interested in any of these products, let me know. Give it a big thumbs up this video, and then I will link everything down, or you can contact me directly. So everything here, this is from the Container Store. This is from Amazon. IKEA, Home Goods, and this is so cute. My husband, I told you previously, you might not remember, and if you're new, welcome. My husband and I, we shared this room. See, it's like this is his side, and this is my side. I have another room where I actually do like work. But this is my little glam room, and then I also use his computer too, so it's like a workroom, glam room. So he's really not into much clutter. So I had to find something that could keep it nice, and see how nice and clear it is in here. I could add some more stuff, and it wouldn't even make anything cluttered. But this is the final reveal. My friend Hyacinth. This is what she does. She's A-type. I'm not, but she works with you. See, I can maintain this. If this was more like what my husband is, I'm not going to his stuff, but he's very A-type. I'm not going to keep that looking like that way. You want to find a way to declutter for you that works for you. And that's what she did for me. Look at that. And we bought this at Home Goods. I'm going to do something else with my sunglasses. But this way I can get to all my little clips. So it's just really nice and clean. And it actually, I'm filming this later because I really want to see if I keep it this way. And I have been using it, and it has stayed this way for now going on 2 weeks. 2 weeks, because 2 weeks after spring break, we did everything on spring break. And And I really did like the way it turned out. So I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this kind of videos, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. And if you want any more organization, or would you like to learn about my perfume collection, I'm big on that. As you can see, I'm getting ready to buy some more. So give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, because we'll do a lot of these kind of videos. I like to do things about real world and real people who might not be as orderly as some other people are. I'm just not that. I'm the real girl's guide to organization and life, the UltraLibrarian. So thank you all for coming. I think I'm gonna go and look up on Sephora rather. And I'm gonna buy some more perfume. I think I could fit a couple more on here. So until next time, thank you so much. Goodbye. Bye.